Hi guys, so this is one of the parrots that I'm taking care of. This is a Galah cockatoo. Hello, say hello. A beautiful parrot. And say hello. Although I don't understand the other ones that he's saying. And I don't know if this is a female or a male. Because I just met them. I met him or her last month. Or actually last month. I'm taking care of him for about a month and a half. Yeah. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? What? There are many things that I didn't know about parrots. Apparently, parrots can live for a lifetime, but some would live more than 50 years, and I didn't know that. They even surpass dogs, which is about 10 to 15 years. I'm afraid of this one because whenever a bird flies, this flies towards me and then bites me. But as of now, he's busy doing that. A cute bird. Hi, David. Why? You say bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right.